Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to practice the letter is, the sound is. I have all of our letters. They are not in ABC order. They are in mixed up order, just to make it a little trickier. I'm going to show the letter. We're going to say our letter name and our sounds. Here we go. The letter is G. The sound is G. Good, I hope you're doing them with me. The letter is F. The sound is F. The letter is B. The sound is B. The letter is H. The sound is H. The letter is I. The sound is I or I. The letter is D. The sound is D. The letter is L. The sound is L. The letter is K. The sound is K. The letter is J. The sound is J. The letter is C. The sound is K. The letter is A. The sound is A or A. The letter is Z. The sound is Z. The letter is Y. The sound is Y. The letter is X. The sound is X. The letter is W. The sound is W. The letter is V. The sound is V. The letter is U. The sound is or U. The letter is T. The sound is T. The letter is S. The sound is S. The letter is R. The sound is R. The letter is Q. The sound is Q. Oops, I forgot to do the motion for that one. Sorry, guys. The letter is P. The sound is P. The letter is O. The sound is A or O. The letter is N. The sound is N. The letter is M. The sound is M. The letter is E. The sound is or E. All right, you can watch that as many times as you want. Make sure you're practicing your letters and your sounds with moms and dads. Keep up the good work, everyone.